What once felt like pure science fiction is now becoming reality. Across China, Japan, and Korea, a new generation of female humanoid robots is emerging, designed to look, move, and feel strikingly human. Built for companionship, emotional connection, and realistic interaction, these lifelike robots are no longer prototypes behind closed doors. Some are already available to buy, with prices starting around $4,000. Today, we're diving into the new models from China that are making headlines, raising eyebrows, and forcing the world to pay attention. Sino's companion robots. Sino takes a bolder approach, redefining what a low-cost humanoid robot can deliver. Their newest companion models are sculpted with extreme precision, using high-grade silicone that mirrors real human skin down to veins, pores, and subtle curves. Professional makeup enhances their realism, but the true impact comes from motion and expression. Eyes track movement, lips part naturally, and facial expressions shift smoothly, creating an illusion of presence that feels almost intimate. Every model is customizable, from facial features to voice options, allowing owners to shape both appearance and personality. Sino isn't simply producing dolls, it's building emotionally engaging humanoid robots designed to connect. At prices that can approach $4,000, these robots signal a future where humanoid companionship is no longer rare, distant, or reserved for science fiction. Mong Han by KD Dolls. In China's rapidly advancing robotics scene, Mong Han stands out as a quietly unsettling leap toward true humanoid realism. Developed by KD Dolls, this 165-centimeter female robot is wrapped in soft silicone skin that closely mirrors the texture and warmth of a real person. Her face is alive with motion, eyes track movement, eyelids blink naturally, and subtle smiles appear through micro-motor control. Internal servos allow her head to tilt and her torso to shift slightly, creating a relaxed, human-like seated posture. Mong Han does more than hold a pose. She listens, speaks, and responds with emotionally toned speech while maintaining eye contact, making conversations feel surprisingly personal. Her dialogue is context-aware, delivered mainly in Mandarin, and paired with delicate facial expressions that blur the line between machine and presence. While she cannot walk or perform physical tasks, Mong Han is designed for companionship, conversation, and visual realism, making her ideal for home environments or curated displays. Aiko Shihira by Toshiba. Aiko Shihira represents a different side of humanoid robotics, blending realism with public service. Standing 165 centimeters tall, she carries a gentle, welcoming appearance and is almost always seen with a friendly smile. Created by Toshiba, Aiko's strength lies in expression. She is powered by 43 internal motors, 15 of which control facial movement alone. This allows her to raise eyebrows, smile naturally, and display surprise with impressive precision. Already deployed in malls and exhibitions, Aiko assists visitors by providing directions, sharing information, and promoting products. Her voice recognition system is highly accurate, and she can communicate in multiple languages. She also reads facial expressions and body gestures, making interactions feel intuitive, smooth, and warmly human. Before we jump to the next robot, hit subscribe and stay ahead of the most unreal tech on Earth. Humanoid doll. From Japan comes Humanoid doll, an ultra-realistic companion robot created with emotional interaction at its core. Her exterior is crafted from premium silicone that feels soft and warm when touched, enhancing the illusion of human closeness. Beneath the surface, a metal framework enables flexible posing, allowing her body to move and rest in natural positions. Humanoid doll's focus goes beyond appearance. She can understand spoken language, respond thoughtfully, and engage in emotionally supportive conversations. Her design centers on companionship, offering dialogue, presence, and simulated romantic interaction. Depending on the level of realism and interactivity selected, her price can begin around $2,000 and rise significantly with added features, reflecting how customizable the experience can become. Synthetic skin breakthrough. Behind these robots, Japanese scientists are reshaping the future through a major breakthrough in synthetic skin technology. Their latest development stunned viewers online with how closely it resembles real human skin. This artificial skin can sense touch, form natural smiles, and even regenerate itself without external repair. What makes it remarkable is how it behaves, not just how it looks. The skin wraps around robotic frames like living tissue, showing natural sagging, overlapping layers, and subtle signs of aging. This innovation is not focused on appearance alone, but on sensation and realism, laying the foundation for robots that feel emotionally responsive and physically authentic. Ariel by Darling Doll. In the growing world of affordable humanoid robots, Ariel feels like a glimpse into the future. Designed by Darling Doll, she stands 165 centimeters tall, with flowing dark hair and vivid violet eyes that seem almost aware of your presence. Her body is crafted from medical-grade silicone, carefully engineered to replicate the softness, warmth, and texture of real human skin. Beneath that lifelike exterior, a flexible stainless steel frame allows natural movement, fluid posing, and realistic posture. Ariel's appeal goes beyond looks. Buyers can personalize her makeup, hairstyle, and facial features, while her expressive mechanical eyes subtly change to reflect emotion. With optional AI upgrades, Ariel can recognize faces, hold conversations, and respond to emotional cues. Starting around $2,500, she represents a striking shift toward affordable, emotionally responsive humanoid companions. Muse by Your Doll. Muse is not designed to be admired from a distance. She is meant to be experienced. Created by Chinese manufacturer Your Doll, Muse pushes realism to a level that feels unsettlingly close to human. Her silicone skin captures tiny details, pores, soft contours, and natural facial lines that give her face depth and authenticity. What truly defines Muse is her expressiveness. Built-in facial systems allow her to display emotions like happiness, curiosity, and quiet sadness, transforming interaction into something that feels responsive rather than scripted. She doesn't simply sit motionless, she reacts, shifts, and responds in ways that suggest awareness. Because of this, Muse is already being explored for roles beyond personal companionship, including service and entertainment. The longer you watch her move, the harder it becomes to remember she's a machine. Leal S39 by Real Lady. Leal S39 is the latest full-body humanoid from Real Lady, a company known for prioritizing customization and realism. She stands 170 centimeters tall and weighs 43 kilograms, giving her a strong yet elegant presence. Her soft silicone skin rests over a full metal skeleton, allowing her to pose naturally and remain stable even when standing upright. Customization is where Leal truly stands out. Buyers can choose skin tone, eye color, hairstyle, and even head shape, creating a robot that feels personally designed. Integrated artificial intelligence allows her to speak, provide emotional support, and engage in meaningful interaction. Priced at around £2,600, Leal offers premium features and deep personalization without entering the ultra-luxury price range. Otin by Ford Doll. Otin represents a new chapter in Lifelike Robotics, where realism and intelligence finally meet. Created by Ford Doll, she is designed to look and feel strikingly human from the first glance. Her face is sculpted with meticulous detail, while her soft, smooth skin closely mimics the texture of real flesh. Beneath the surface, flexible joints allow her body to move with calm, natural flow. Her gestures are subtle and controlled, avoiding the stiff motions people usually associate with robots. What truly defines Otin, however, is her advanced AI system. She can sense emotional cues, respond to voice commands, and adjust her behavior based on your mood. Her appearance and interaction style can be upgraded over time, making her feel less like a static product and more like an evolving companion. Built for longevity, Otin appeals to collectors, tech enthusiasts, and anyone curious about how close robots are coming to real human presence. Ultra-realistic robotic dolls from Japan. Japanese engineers have once again drawn global attention by releasing a new generation of ultra-realistic robotic dolls now available for purchase. These are not static mannequins meant for display. They are designed as companions, particularly for individuals seeking emotional and physical connection. Their skin is made from thermoplastic elastomer, an elastic, smooth material that closely mimics real human touch. Inside, a metal skeleton provides structure while allowing natural bending and posing. Despite their astonishing realism, these robots still have limits. They cannot fully replicate the emotional depth, warmth, or complexity of genuine human relationships. Yet with every upgrade, they move closer, narrowing the gap between artificial companionship and human presence. Together, these developments reveal a clear pattern. From $2,000 humanoid companions to advanced emotional interfaces and lifelike skin, Asia's robotics industry is accelerating toward a future the world can no longer ignore. Hoyu by Shenzhen. Hoyu is a hyper-realistic female robot developed in China that focuses on visual believability and affordability. Standing 158 centimeters tall and weighing 33 kilograms, she has proportions that feel natural and approachable. Her silicone skin is exceptionally soft, while an internal metal skeleton allows smooth motion and stable positioning. Every detail of her face, from carefully shaped eyebrows to fine skin textures, is designed to blur the line between human and machine. At a glance, she can easily be mistaken for a real person. Hoyu can also be equipped with a voice module that allows her to speak on various topics, making her more than just a visual companion. With most versions priced around $2,800, she delivers an impressive balance of realism, interaction, and cost, positioning her as one of the most accessible humanoid robots on the market. A new reality taking shape. These female robots are no longer futuristic ideas or experimental concepts. They are real, available, and steadily changing how the world views humanoid machines. With lifelike movement, emotional responsiveness, and increasingly convincing design, they are redefining robots as companions rather than tools. Whether seen as partners, assistants, or marvels of modern engineering, one thing is clear. The era of affordable, humanoid female robots has arrived, and it is impossible to ignore. The line between humans and machines is fading faster than anyone expected. If this future fascinates you, subscribe now and stay ahead of what's coming next.